Okay, folks, welcome back to BP3 TV. And check it out. We should take a look behind me. She's almost done. 569 Alpha is coming right along. Finished up some of the painting last night. The exterior is done, and we're going to give everybody a little video tour. I turned on the lights today in the hangar, and I can't believe myself. Woo-wee! She's looking so good! Ha! Let's go and take a closer look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Originally, I don't know if you've seen before, but there was no paint on the front. There was no paint on the cowl. There was a black sun guard, and she is now all cranberry gloss. In honor of the cranberry bogs, I'd say, that are tucked away in our little corners of Connecticut. My friend Gary and Jane have one right in their backyard. Hey, maybe I can fly by and match it. Look how she came out, though. Woo-wee! Got the doors open. Got the paint shining, right? I am so excited. I am so excited. There's only a few more things to do. I have to install the new ELT, put back the interior, check the rudder cables. Oh my gosh, what else? Set the toggle switches, the rocker switches, so they're flush. But it is almost ready, guys. And I will be flying every freaking day that I can. No, I'm just going to fly every freaking day. Oh, man. If you've been following me along, thank you. She's so pretty. Oh, look, it's even shining. She's even shining. Oh, I'm going to cry. Oh, man. I don't know what to say other than I am so grateful. And if you have been following along, thank you. BP3 TV, BP3 in life. Cheers.